Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Hello, everybody. This is Joseph Lin for Practical Hakka.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是林泽修。一开头呢就唱圣诞歌了。
对啊，
因为
要收礼物了。
12月份就是要过非常欢乐的耶诞节、
是啊，
圣诞节，对不对？ It's Christmas month, and so we should naturally teach you things related to Christmas. All right. So Christmas 圣诞节怎么说呢？
圣诞节，
圣诞节 ，OK， 节就是节日嘛，哈，节 means any holiday， 圣诞 that means the birth of Christ, Christmas. All right， 在圣诞节的时候，我们最开心的就是收礼物了。
我以为你说最开心就是发礼物啊，
你发给我了。
你还想跟人家收礼物啊
？During Christmas time, we all look forward to our Christmas gifts, right? 礼物怎么说呢？
礼物，
礼物 that's a gift in general 不一定是要圣诞礼物、生日礼物什么礼物就是礼物。
对，那海陆腔礼物。
礼物 okay, slightly different for a different dialect, again meaning gift. Also during Christmas time, a lot of people like to have a huge meal. Okay, 在国外的话会跟家人一起过很好的圣诞晚上吃圣诞大餐。
对
，Okay, a Christmas meal. 圣诞大餐怎么说？
圣诞大餐，
圣诞大餐，大餐就大餐啊，餐就是 a meal, and 大餐 that means a big meal, okay? A huge Christmas meal. Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 你知道有时候送礼物也是很麻烦啦。会啦，我会送礼物啦，圣诞节的时候送给你一个。
真的？
那送礼物很头痛的就是不知道人家对方要什么。所以有的时候还是直接问比较好。Sometimes it's better to ask what the other person wants as a gift because sometimes it's a headache to think of what to buy. So let's teach you how to say, what do you want as a gift? 你想要什么礼物？
钱好了。
我没有叫你回答。You don't have to answer that, Alice. I just want you to teach us how to say that.
我自己买比较快啊。
好，教我们怎么说。
想要买给礼物。
想要买给礼物 Okay, that means what kind of gift do you want? Let's review these terms. Christmas, 圣诞节。
圣诞节。
圣诞节 and then a gift, 礼物。
礼物。
礼物 and finally a Christmas meal, 圣诞大餐。
圣诞大餐。
圣诞大餐 Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.